Hello everyone, myself Jaya Agarwal, Assistant Professor Political Science from SPCGC Ajmer. This is paper 5th of MA final. Name of the paper is Political Analysis and Research Methodology. And today in this video we are going to study about the facts and theory making. Actually it is we are going to study about the correlation between facts and theory making, how facts help the theories and how theories need the facts. So let's start. There is close relation between facts and theories. Theories are based on the facts, and political scientists can observe the similarities and dissimilarities regarding facts, and facts can be recognized and can be classified as well. This process is known as conceptualization, and on the basis of empirical correlation between concepts, generalization is also possible. Interpretation of facts is possible according to these concepts and generalization. If a researcher explores the new facts for the same incident or activity, uh, old theories can be considered as useless, or it indicates the massive changes in these theories according to these new facts. Theories can be rectified or changed according to new circumstances and facts, and new theory is also possible that replaces the old one. It can be said that facts work as raw material or basis for theory making. Theories can be defined, explained, or interpreted according to these facts, and facts are necessary for theories and vice versa. Theory decides the nature of facts and their limitations, and it provides conceptual framework for the incidents, things, ideas, and for their classification, systematization, etc. And along with this, it makes possible the prediction about facts, and it helps the researcher knowledge about the facts to prove theories relevant, and their right or wrong aspects can also be explained. It saves us time, money, etc., and it organizes and directs the research. So here we can see that how facts work for theory making and how theories need facts. This is also known as conceptualization, and all this there is correlation between as theory and fact. So both can be considered as correlated, and both are necessary for each other, and we cannot separate them. Sorry. So here we can see that first it was that how facts work for the theory, and second one was that why theories need the facts. So here we have studied that theory decides the nature of facts and their limitations, and it provides conceptual framework for the incidents, things, ideas for their classification, systematization, etc. It makes possible the prediction about facts. It helps the researcher knowledge about the facts to prove theories relevant, and their right or wrong aspects can also be explained, and it saves us time, money, etc. And as well as it organizes and directs the research. So this was the correlation between theory and facts. That's all for today from my side. Thank you very much.